Hello guys, welcome to RR Jeremiah 2911 YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to submit your WES through online process. Because of the COVID-19, mas advisable na yung inyong ECA or WES ay sinasabit nyo through online. Dati kasi through email or courier. Ngayon, you can submit your WES sa ECA through online. So that is our topic for today. But before that, let's try to understand what is the meaning of ECA or ECA. Okay. Okay, let's talk about ECA or ECA. ECA is Educational Credential Assessment. It is used by the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada to verify your foreign degree or diploma or certificate if it is valid or equal to Canadian one. There are different types of ECA, and you need to get an ECA report for immigration purposes. Who need ECA or ECA? If you completed your education outside Canada, you need an assessment to be eligible for Provincial Nominee Program, Federal Skilled Worker Program, or Express Entry, and also to earn points for your education outside Canada. You only need an assessment for your highest level of education. For example, if you have master's degree, so you need an assessment only for your master's degree. If your highest education level is your bachelor's degree, so you only need for your bachelor's degree. Unstoppable, that's what you are. If you completed your education outside Canada, only this designated organization can assess your credential. The number one is Comparative Education Service, University of Toronto, School of Continuing Studies, designated April 17, 2013. International Credential Assessment Service of Canada, designated April 17, 2013. WES or World Education Services, designated April 17, 2013. The International Qualification Assessment Service or IQAS, designated April 6, 2015. And then, International Credential Evaluation Service, August 6, 2015. Only the designated organization can assess your education gained outside Canada. anything we
You are God alone from before time began. You were on your throne. You are God alone. And right now, in the good times and bad, you are on your throne. And you are God alone. You're the only God whose power none can contend. You're the only God whose name and praise will never end. You're the only God who's worthy of everything we can give. You are God, that's just the way it is. You are God alone from before time began.
Now you can do WES through online. Just go to Google, write the WES in the Google, and click search. Make it sure it's in Canada, not USA.
You are on your throne, and you are God alone. Unchangeable, unshakable, unstoppable. That's what you are. Unchangeable, unshakable, unstoppable. That's what you are. You are God alone from before time began. You were on your throne. You are God alone. Right now, in the good times and bad, you are on your throne. You are God alone.
Click all the details that you need to fill up and make it sure it's Canada, not USA.
Unstoppable, that's what you are. You are not a God created by human hands. You are not a God dependent on any mortal man. You are not a God in need of anything we can give by your plan. That's just the way it is. You are not a God created by human hands. You are not a God dependent on any mortal man. You are not a God in need of anything we can give by your plan. That's just the way it is. You are God.